Shoot the Moon Part 2 as we head off to Baldwin Hills Scenic Overlook, the best spot in LA to get a great shot of the LA skyline. What makes the Baldwin Hills Scenic Overlook so cool is the 360 view. Pretty much all of LA, from downtown to Century City to Santa Monica to Culver City to Malibu. It's got it all from up here, and that great view of the skyline. Now I'm going to turn the GoPro around. It's not going to do it justice. My friend, the great photographer Brian Valente, told me to be sure to come up to the pavement for the best shot of the moon over Los Angeles. I should say the blood moon over Los Angeles, right? Obviously up here you're going to need a camera with a telephoto lens. Up here with a smartphone, you're really not going to see much. Telephoto, 200, 300, 400 millimeter will really get you a lot closer to the buildings, will compress the mountains and the snow and bring them a lot closer together and get that postcard shot that you were hoping for. Okay, so it's 5:45 right now. The moon's not supposed to come out till 6:13. We have a half hour, nothing to do but wait, which is what you got to do if you want the shot. But look at where we are. And that's a wrap for another photo walk. I'm Jefferson Graham from the Baldwin Hills Scenic Overlook. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe, tell your friends, and stay tuned for more photo walk videos. Bye.